Hey, this is Jeff at Miller's RV, calling with another tip really help you enjoy the journey as you use your RV. I'm standing here with Maxxair, our vent covers, and Maxxair is kind of the name brand out there for the vent covers. But people always wonder, what are these for? Why do you even have them? What's the purpose of them? So the Maxxair cover does a number of things. One, and probably foremost, is it allows you to leave the vent open inside the unit, either when you're driving down the road, because those vents are not designed to have the force of the wind pushing against them, and you'll crack them that way and break them. And also if it's raining. The way the louvered vents on the back of it work is that even if it's raining, you can have your vent open, you can still be getting the airflow, especially if you have an internal fan or something, you can be getting the airflow and have your vent without having to worry about it's going to rain, I'm going to get water in it, or when I'm driving down the road. So this goes great not only when you're using the RV, but also when you're parked, that you can leave it open and it keeps the inside of the RV from getting quite as hot. Just by allowing the heat to escape during the day, it doesn't get as hot to start with, and it cools off faster at night when it does it. Now, we do carry both styles of the Maxxair in stock. This one, if you notice, has more louvers. The reason why is that on some of the bigger, like the Fantastic fans, and Maxxair makes their own exhaust fan, this can actually restrict the flow because there's not enough airflow available for the fan to pull air through. So this bigger louver section on the Maxxair 2 allows you to be able to get more airflow. These two, that a lot of times people all say, well, I don't want to put those on because I don't want to screw into the camper. I don't want to screw into the roof. Well, you don't want either one of these. These little bracket kits basically have L brackets, and the two different styles attach slightly differently, but it attaches into the side of your the lip of the 14-inch roof vent. So it's actually attaching into the side of the roof vent, and then this goes over, so there's no extra holes drilled into the unit. There's nothing that has to be sealed, and then it's covered both by the screws are covered where the regular vent cover comes down, as well as obviously now with this cover as well. Additionally, this thing has an extra benefit, is that we carry and we sell a ton of those roof vent covers because the sun bakes them, and a lot of them aren't made to be the greatest quality material to start with. Well, this is a lot more UV resistant material designed into it, so it's going to hold up better, and it's also going to save you from having to replace those roof vents as often. So a lot of extra benefits you get to it, but personally, I just love down here in the South just to keep that heat out during the summer. It doesn't get as hot. And it doesn't get as muggy inside, and allows everything just to vent. So really great things. If you want Maxxairs, you can install them yourself, or we can install them for you. Either way, just give us a call at Miller's RV at 225-275-2940. Check out our website, stop by for a visit. We always keep these in stock. We'll be glad to take care of you. Again, this is Jeff Hilliard with one more way to help you enjoy the journey. Hey, this is Jeff at Miller's RV. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate it. Check out one of the other videos linked here, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll get all the video updates when we come out with them. Catch our content on Facebook as well, or visit our website, millersrv.com. Again, Jeff at Miller's RV, reminding you always, enjoy the journey.